Hi! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, is aking isi-share sa inyo isang lending application na inutangan ko guys. And yes, inutangan ko and malaki po ang first na loan sa kanila. So before we go on guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na yun ang bell button para ma-update ka sa upcoming videos and tutorials. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video nga is magre-review tayo ng isang lending application. And ayon sa kanilang application guys is no prepayment penalties, ayan, and user-friendly interface daw. And 24 hours ay pwede tayo makapag-loan sa kanila. And ang pwede nating ma-loan sa kanila is up to 50,000 pesos. Ayan guys. And ayon sa kanilang application guys, loan limit 1,000 to 50,000 pesos. Ayan. And loan term is up to 365 days. And our first loan daw sa kanila ay pwedeng 10,000 pesos. Ayan. So, ang lending application natin guys ay si PesoGo VIP Easy Loan Online and powered by PesoGo VIP. So, VIP ang loan application na ito guys. And meron silang 4.3 stars and 2,000 reviews. So, upon downloading guys, is mag-ask sila ng permission sa ating contact information, ating SMS, storage, ayan. And of course, agree natin kung gusto nating i-push through yung loan. So, wala tayong magagawa kundi i-agree natin, ayan. So, upon agreeing guys, ay magbubungad sa atin ang kanilang privacy policy, ayan. So, agree natin ulit, ayan. And after which is phone number naman ang kanilang tatanungin. So, apply in a minute. So, ask nila ang ating phone number kasi magsisend sila ng one-time password. Ayan. So, wala nang kakaiba yun guys sa atin. So, next lang natin. And of course, ang kanilang initial na ibibigay daw sa atin. So, sabi dito sa kanilang dashboard, ayan, accessible amount, 30,000 pesos and 180 days ang kanilang term. Ayan. And interest is 0.09% per day. So, medyo mababa sa mga ibang application. Ayan. If we want to apply the loan, click natin yung apply and then mag-ask sila ng ating personal information. Ayan. So, first name, ayan, last name, gender, birthday, ayan, and then click natin yung next. Yung date of birth naman natin, ayan, education, marital status, language, ID type, kung anong ID ang gusto natin or anong ID ang available na isend natin. Ayan, ID number, Facebook link. Ayan, so naka-series ang Facebook link kaya dapat natin mag-send ng Facebook link daw. And then email address, ayan, regions, provinces, and yung detail na address natin. So, next lang natin guys. So, ito pala guys yung mga pwedeng ID sa kanila. So, UMID ID, SSS, TIN ID, ayan, and then passport, driver's license, national ID, voter's ID, PhilHealth, ayan, so pwede ang PhilHealth, ayan, and then postal ID, OFW ID, Pag-ibig, GSIS, so ang daming pwedeng gamitin sa kanilang ID. So, walang problema, yan. So, maraming options, ayan. After which guys is ang ating work information naman, ayan. So, type of work, ayan, and industry, job experience, kung magkano yung income natin, ayan, pay frequency, kung kailan tayo magsusweldo siguro or magkaka-income, ayan. And then, sa kanilang application ay kailangan ng dalawa lang. O, di ba? Dalawa lang na contact person. So, hindi sila masyadong stricto guys kasi dalawa lang. Next natin is ang ating identity or yung mga pa-picture ni Mayor, ganyan. So, picture ang front ID and yung facial recognition, yung pa-selfie, ganyan. So, after which guys is, dito naman guys pala is ituturo kung paano natin daw mag-picture ng ID and kung paano tayo mag-selfie. So, may mga pattern na susundan, ganyan. So, after which guys is ating account information kung saan natin kukunin or kung saan nila ipapadala yung ating utangin sa kanila. So, of course is pwede ang GCash, PayMaya, Grab, PesoNet, ayan, bank. So, fill up lang natin guys and then next na natin. So, i-review nilang ating information or ating mga fill up, ating binigay sa kanilang information. And in 1 minute guys is malalaman na natin kung approve ba o hindi. Ayan. So, sabi dito, binabati kita, ang iyong loan ay matagumpay na naprubahan. Isang 1,000 pesos na discount coupon ang ipapadala sa inyong account at pindutin upang matanggap. So, mayroon silang pa-discount. Ayan. So, click lang natin yun guys. And then, after which is, ito na ang approved na amount na 3,500. Ayan. So, 3,000 or sabi dito, congratulations, the loan was approved. And ang ating loan daw nga is 3,500. And ang processing fee is 1,225. Interest daw is 245. And ang marireceive natin is 2,275 pesos. And ang ating repayment is 3,745. So, ang laki ng bawas and may dagdag pa. Ayan. So, due date natin, November 26, which is 7 days po ang loan term nito. Ayan. So, 7 days ang loan term and ayun nga guys, at meron dito yung account kung saan nila ipapadala daw yung loan. So, ayun guys. So, yun po si PesoGo. And sa mga nagbabalak guys, ay nasa inyo guys kung gusto nyong itry. Pero for me guys, is parang hindi ko siya ma-recommend since ang laki po ng kaltas and may dagdag pa na bayad. So, 3,500 is magiging 3,700, pero marireceive mo daw is 2,000 plus. So, ayun guys, ang loan application na ito. Thank you for watching and I hope na nakatulong sa inyo guys. So, hope to see you on my next video. Bye!